Enjoy your shumai with a twist. Grill and enjoy them with your favorite barbecue sauce. For the barbecue sauce, we would need soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, calamansi juice, sugar, and banana ketchup. Mix all the ingredients well and set aside once done. Steam your shumai for some minutes and put them on sticks once cooked. Grill your shumai until you achieve a nice or your desired char. Serve your shumai with your barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, chives, and toasted sesame seeds. You may also add chili flakes or chili garlic oil if you want it spicy. Mekeni, manganta na po!